ProtoPie is a powerful tool for creating interactive prototypes that work seamlessly with designs from tools like Figma. By integrating ProtoType with Figma, you can easily bring your designs to life with interactive elements and animations. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use ProtoType in Figma for prototyping. Install ProtoType plugin. Open Figma and go to the plugin section. Search for ProtoPie and install the plugin. Once installed, launch the ProtoPie plugin by clicking on it from the plugins menu. Sign in to ProtoPie. Sign in with your ProtoPie account to enable the integration. Import Figma designs into ProtoPie. Connect Figma with ProtoPie. In ProtoPie, click Connect to Figma and sign in with your Figma account to access your designs. Select your design. Choose the Figma file you want to work on. ProtoPie will import the design layers, including frames, images, and text elements. Add triggers. Use triggers to define user interactions like taps, swipes, hovers, or other gestures. For example, tapping on a button can navigate to another frame or trigger an animation. Set actions. Assign actions to each trigger. For instance, navigating between screens, opening models, or animating objects. Apply animations. Animate objects or layers to move, scale, or change opacity as part of transitions between frames. Preview in real time. Use the ProtoPie preview feature to view and test the prototype directly within Figma. You can see how interactions work across different devices. Collaborate and share. Once finalized, share the interactive prototype with stakeholders by exporting it as a link, GIF, or video.